Hi everyone, and if you want to know how to tag someone on X, formerly known as Twitter, you've come to the right place. So, tagging someone on X is simple and helps you mention users in your tweets, ensuring that they see your message. So, just compose a new tweet, so just click on post, and here type this symbol and now start to write someone's name. So for example, now I am tagging Elon Musk, write a message, for example, something like this, and click on post. And once you've tagged the user, this tagged user will receive a notification that they've been mentioned in your tweet. And also remember that tagging users is a great way to engage directly with others, but be mindful not to overuse it or tag people in irrelevant connect. So that's all. Thank you for watching. Leave a like and subscribe.